Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. So today I made a dal tadka with the green moong dal, mean the dal with the husk, moong dal with the husk. So it's super yummy, super healthy also, and it has lot of protein. So friends, for making the moong dal tadka, I have taken here 2 cups of moong dal and I am going to soak it overnight. So when you soak it overnight, it gets softened nicely, but minimum 5 hours of soaking is required. But I like to soak it overnight so it gets softened very nicely and all the dirts also comes out. So after 8 hours of soakings, this moong dal has been soaked very nicely. Now I am going to wash it 2 times and I will throw away the water. So friends, thank you so much for all of your support, and I really like cooking, so I like to cook new dish. First I make the dish and I see how the dish comes out and what is the feedback my family and friends gives. Only then I again cook the recipe and upload in my channel. So after I wash the moong dal, throw away the water. Now I am going to pressure cook it. So here in the pressure cooker I have taken 2 cup of moong dal. So I am putting 1.5 cup of water, little salt and turmeric, and I am going to pressure cook it 2 to 3 times until it gets softened. So when the moong dal is getting cooked, I am going to chop some vegetable. So here I will make a paste of onion, garlic and tomatoes. So friends, nowadays it's become very necessary to eat healthy because people are falling sick so much. So rather than eating outside in a restaurant, we can make the same dish at home and enjoy, because it's always better to eat at home, made with fresh ingredients, fresh oils, so that it doesn't harms our health. So I prefer eating at home most of the meals. Like, we very rarely we eat in restaurant, except when we go for vacation we do eat outside. Otherwise we very rarely eat outside. So I have chopped the onion, garlic and the tomato and ginger and few green chilies. So I am going to put it in a mixture grinder jar and make a paste out of it. So friends, this dal tadka can be made without onion, garlic also, just with ginger and red chili, green chili and cumin seed. However, I like to eat with onion and garlic because it will give a nice taste. So friends, here my dal has given 3 whistle and it has already been boiled. And meanwhile, I have also made a paste of the my onion, garlic and ginger. So now I will let it cool. I will not open the lid now. I will let it cook for some time, let it cool down, and then I am going to open the pressure cooker. Meanwhile, I will put a pan in the gas and I am going to use 2 cups of cooking 2 spoons of cooking oil, and then I am going to fry this onion garlic paste. So you need to fry it really well, so nicely, so until the oil separates from the spices, all the mixtures. So now here I am going to add few ingredients. So here I am going to add a pinch of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 spoon of red chili and salt as per taste. And then I am going to cook it very nicely until the oil gets separates. So friends, thank you so much for visiting my channel and supporting me. If you do like my videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate your support, because in order to go ahead I really need support of everyone's. So I also do support and I want people to support me. So I cover it with a lid and cook it for again 2 to 4 minutes. See, the masalas are being fried very nicely. I am cooking it in the medium flame so it does not get burned. So I am putting a little bit of water, just 2 spoons of water, so the masalas does not get burned. So it has been cooked. Now again I am going to cover it the lid and cook for another 2 minutes. Now see here, friends, I am going to open the cover of the pressure cooker, and dal has been very nicely softened. I am just going to smash it little bit with the help of the ladle, so it will give a nice texture. So I have smashed it very nicely with the help of this ladle. Now I am going to pour this mixture into the masala. So pour it nicely, and then I am going to cook. This masalas is giving very nice aroma. See, I have put the mixture dal, boiled dal, and now I am going to mix everything very nicely and let it cook in a medium flame for another 5 to 10 minutes. So friends, please do comment how you like my recipes, because your comments will motivate me to make nice recipes and upload for you. I do make South Indian dishes, North Indian, and as well as sometimes Bengali dishes also. So it's a blend. I do cook all side because I have been in South India for more than a decade. So I like South Indian food a lot. So I cook South Indian recipes as well. So here I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala, which is all spice mixes that gives a very nice rich aroma to your dishes. And then I'm going to add few green chili, chopped coriander leaves. Now see friends, my dal tadka is almost ready. I'll switch off the gas and I'll going to transfer it in a bowl. But this is, as it is called tadka, so I am going to put separate tadka again. So here I put this ladle here, and now I am going to add here 2 spoon of oil. You can use ghee as well if you wish, but few people will use tadka with ghee, but I personally do not prefer ghee because ghee makes it too much rich. So I am here using mustard oil and few cumin seed and little bit of chopped garlic, and fry it very nicely, and then I am going to pour it over the dal tadka. So friends, see, I have poured it and it's become very nice. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day everyone.